guys, welcome to our channel. It's Malay Philippines. It's Friday afternoon. It's 5 o'clock in the afternoon, and we're here in Joaquin Street, Hills Avenue. And also, it's holiday here in Philippines. It's a LDPT. It's a Ramadan for Muslim. So it's second day for them. So they fasting for dawn to sunset. So that's good.
Georgi also fast.
What you say?
What? So many beautiful girls, Georgi. Take a look.
Hello, kuya. 이제 왔나?
Tired already?
Huh?
Not tired?
I want to drink more. Hi, sir. Barbara.
But what is with Georgi? Take a look, new open. What is this? Cafe maybe or bar, I don't know. Huh? Not cafe? I think it's same because from Isan stuff, from Isan, maybe it's also Korean. Korean maybe restaurant or cafe.
I don't know if it's
Hmm?
coffee shop like this.
Maybe coffee shop, maybe. Maybe. Yeah, thank you for watching. You want to buy?
Can you buy it?
Okay, I will buy for you. Give me money. Joke only. It's joke. I will buy for you. You know I like joke. Hold camera, Shaira. I will buy for Shaira.
You know what I want?
I don't know, water only.
Buku shake, 50
Buku shake.
pesos.
50 pesos.
Yes.
Okay, you buy what you want. Ah, it's already prepared before. No, I don't want.
Only me one.
So many sugar I don't want, and also coke.
But if we buy 1 liter, for example,
Uh-huh.
half liter for you, half for me, we can ask to cook, to prepare,
Ah, prepare without sugar.
yes, or maybe little bit sugar.
Okay, and not so many ice maybe.
About ice, I don't know, but twice less sugar, twice.
It's not sugar. It's not so sweet.
Not so sweet?
Yes, right now.
Maybe they already prepare for you. I will try.
Not so sweet. It's not the same before. It's more.
Not so sweet, Shaira, but so cold. Because it's ice. I don't want so cold. Oh, good.
It's good.
Good, good.
After this, where we going?
Maybe in cafe, we can wait in cafe.
Okay.
Rain soon, but we have umbrella in the car. So maybe we go to take umbrella. Hello. Ah,
I don't know. It's Junnomi.
it's a restaurant or what is?
It's a restaurant. Korean restaurant.
Ah, it's new. Before don't have.
It's like Korean.
Uh-huh.
Listen, say me a little bit.
Yeah. Georgi said want another place. Check. Okay, let's go. I hope don't have rain. Maybe don't have rain right now, but later. Cats fighting.
0.5 liters. 0.5 liters.
Oh, crab. No, it's not crab, shrimp. How much? How much?
3.5.
What?
3.5.
Ah, 3.5.
3.5.
No, it's just interesting for my friends. No, it's good. Good price. Friday, but not so many people.
Someone drunk again and calling me.
Ah, it's okay, don't worry.
That's why I go this road.
I don't know, maybe guy lost way. Maybe he lost way. I hope he know how to. Okay, let's go to cafe. Shaira, say thank you for watching because another video after we drink in cafe.
So guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like.